successfully got all the 8 lifters out using the lifter puller without removing the head. It can be done, people! Except for this red-headed ginger's about to throw a hammer. Isn't that right?
Yep.
Okay, so we opted not to prep the lifters because the manufacturer, you know, the freaking book says that you can if you want to, basically in layman terms. But what you do need to do, take your assembly lube, engine assembly lube. He just smashed his hand. Coat it along the bottom to where it's going to meet the camshaft lobe, and throw a little bit on the side so it goes up and down pretty easy. So if you don't know how to apply lube, that's kind of a self-explanatory deal. You need to figure that out. He's mad. His hair got redder.
Tell me not to cuss.
Yep. We're on camera. Alright. That's where we're at for now. See, can you see anything in there? Can't see anything in there. Let's find some light down there. Hey, there you go.
New pretty lifters.
New pretty lifters.
New pretty lifter. Right there. There you go.
Hey. Alright, that's it for now.